Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the topic I'm going to discuss is again related to a new concept. Rather, many of tourism students or professionals might have heard about this term. That is green tourism. So in my last videos I have already discussed few types. Now this green tourism is again another niche concept and is related to sustainability. See, we all know sustainable tourism is something that is related to a better or positive positive tourism supply that we are going to provide to our coming generation, or rather we can say better product for the coming future. Green tourism is a term connected to again sustainability. It is an act of making the earth more green by sustainable practices, by ways of less consumption of energy, of fuel, less harm to the environment, rather no harm to the environment. It is an act of prohibiting the use of plastics in tourist areas, hotel premises, or any public areas, keeping a watch on overall performance of such type of tourism activity. In several hotels, you will be finding several norms and targets are made to distinguish greener performances, and accordingly they are certified. This helps in reducing operational costs. They get competitive advantages and can attract the market, their target market, in with a new concept, or rather a very necessary information that is needed to be supplied to the people to be very environmentally sound. Now this green tourism is related to environment. As I said, it is about the initiative that is very friendly to the environment. Green tourism actually educates the society to save water, efficient and eco-friendly waste disposal, and ethical buying of goods or products depending on nature, rather be seasonal, promoting biodiversity and adopting a smart outlook towards the travel activity. Green tourism is rather a consciousness towards the protection of nature and their appreciation. It allows society to reconnect with nature and natural phenomena or natural elements. This type of tourism mostly involves access to the countrysides or areas that is you can say connected to nature. The type of tourism mostly involves access to countryside. Here means this can also take place in an urban environment. Probably if we create a environment that is really made natural, I mean to say, we can plant the trees, we can use biodegradable products, we can stop the consumption of plastics. So this concept is not only concentrated towards the rural or less urban side, but if we adopt the green concept in the urban area, we need to be careful that we are working as per the norms of green concept, and the norm says that we don't have to use anything that is harming the environment. That is all. Some positive impacts of green tourism includes conserving resources, benefit environment by reduction of waste, reduction of cost through efficient and awareness, improving public image towards the tourism industry, benefits the local community and local economy, reduces congestions and pollution, and ultimately improves the natural environment. So when we are promoting green tourism, we need to take care in mind, number one, that we need to control the population, the tourist arrival. That is very important when we talk about congestion, because when we are inviting tourists, mass tourists, with no idea of their arrival or departure or visit, with no records, then obviously we can't control the things can be out of our hand. So there should be at least awareness about how many tourists are coming in our destination per day basis. In that way we can control the things, we can convey the information very easily, things can be in our control.